Well, hello, good morning. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. It is 4:30 a.m. on August 13th, 2024, Tuesday morning, about 4:30. Yeah, I'm I ended up talking to a friend of mine here. She called up and we've had about an hour conversation. Yeah, some days I wonder. We want to have friends that we can talk with, but sometimes we piss them off. the Most of my friends, if I said, on days that I call some of my friends a-holes, they know it. And usually they're at about the same time they're calling me an a-hole. Or a hole A. Yeah. Just saying, it's guys are that way. I don't know. The females just don't understand being able to say, call them out and say what the hell we say and not caring. You can either grow up or not accept it. It's your problem. Doing what we do in our lives is our choice. And, well, all choices have consequences. I do hope that my friend, learns and gets better at being her. Some days I wonder, trying to tell somebody that, the only reason that, a guy wants a woman in his life is to make his life better, to make it peaceful. And, trying to point out to my friend, that a lot of things that she did, put her in the masculine side. And then she wonders why, she's having these issues. Okay, choices. She's saying that, parents forced her into something. Well, she could have walked out and just kept walking. Don't get me wrong, I understand it's hard to do. Me, has always been the other side of that coin. For me, it was always easy to do, just head to the next place. I've lived in so many different places that choosing to change where I'm living is nothing to me. I've done it so many times. And, back's sore today. I've moved so many times in my life and lived in so many different places that picking up and moving one more time or 20 more times doesn't make a difference to me. Biggest difference is this time, instead of like with the ones before, I've actually got stuff. That's why I'm having such fun trying to get rid of, I have a 3-bedroom house and there's stuff in every room. And I'm actually thinking, I mentioned it to my boss yesterday morning that I might have to decide to go ahead and take Friday and Saturday off and extend my weekend. Claim it as a couple of vacation days. Try to get this garage sale. I don't know. I told him I'd let him know by Thursday. I might. Depends on what the weather's looking like Thursday. Right now it's supposed to be hot. 41, 42 ballpark for Saturday or Friday and Saturday. And yeah, I think that's 104, 105 ballpark. And yeah, the difference is around here it's usually pretty dry. And from the looks of it, there's not much of a chance of rain. So give it a couple more days, figure it out, and maybe let him know Wednesday whether I'm doing this or not. But definitely have to let him know one way or another by Thursday. We'll see. Depends on how much I can get done today and tomorrow. This morning when I get off and tomorrow morning when I get off. If I can get enough done, I might actually try to go and do this. Problem is, part of what I want to do is literally going to put a big pile of stuff in the front yard. I don't know if I can get it all moved out and get it moved out by Thursday. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It is what it is. But yes, with a lot of my friends, they call me on things when I'm doing stuff. They'll tell me I'm being stupid or I'm thinking wrong. And usually, walk me right up into the, mess and tell me, yeah, see, now there's your mess. And it's your mess. You chose it. Being guys, we always have to take and step up and accept it. That or live in delusion. Women, on the other hand, seem to get away with being an avoidance and not accepting anything. I don't know. There's a big double standard there, and it is what it is. Because, guys, we have to take in, step up, we have to produce, and, build something, otherwise a female wouldn't want us. If we don't have something to bring to the table, and I heard some woman talking about, well, I am the table. No. You're just trying to be a guy and not doing a good job at it at all. And even if you are doing a good job at it and you have your own table, guess what? It don't matter to guys. Because it's not our table, it's not our dollar, it's not our money. And quite honestly, we don't want a woman like that, most likely because, that's right, we don't want the masculine headache. A female trying to be male, running around, trying to be a guy. Guys don't like that. It's we want peace in our lives. We want to have a mellow, easy day. Why would I want to go out, have to work all day, and then come home and have to fight and work with a female? Why would a guy want that in his life? We don't. So, I don't know. And again, like I said, with the, I'm wandering here. Like I said, with the traveling and moving stuff, another one of my friends is like, and I understand why she thinks I should go ahead and go visit the Philippines. I've been there before, but she thinks I should go check it out now again before I decide to leave. Problem is if I went over there now, I'd be over there and I wouldn't come back. And it would mess up my wallet, my financing. I would be living off my principal, which would mean my principal would be diminishing. Diminishing returns are not good. You try to build those kind of things and keep them growing. That way, when you get to the future, you have more for the future. Talking to folks, trying to explain to a gal that, planning for the future is kind of part of what we do. Because, we're trying to build a future. Prosperity. Yeah. If we don't build it, it's not there, and it won't grow, and it won't continue. So we have to build it. And by building it, we end up having to, go out, work hard, plan for the future, build things for the future so that we can have something that grows. A lot of guys, a lot of us take a long time to figure that out. I know I did. I wish I'd have been as smart as my nephew. Yeah. I didn't start until way late because I was on Stupid Street, and that cost me. So I'm way behind where I should be. But I'm going to manage, and manage for the last 10 years, 15 years. I've been pretty much nose to the grindstone, working on me, building me, becoming a better me, and building toward being able to retire. That's a good thing. I'm thankful to have got this far. And yeah, I don't know about most folks. I can barely keep track of me. Trying to tell somebody, that I don't want your problems. I got my own. And, if you're wanting me to fix your problems, do you really understand that I consider a baseball bat to be a problem solver? Just saying. Because if you're going to have me fix your problem, then it's my solution, because if you're making your problem my problem, it's my problem, my solution. Trying to explain to you, you're probably not going to like my solution. Just saying. Might be why I don't try to carry computers upstairs, because dropping a computer down the stairs sounds like a good idea a lot of the times, especially when they're acting up and not working right. Yeah. Drop check. See how it works. Anyway, life goes on. I'm hoping everybody's having a good start to their week, and may it be a peaceful week for you. A lot of food. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines here, and hey, I'm Fish. Later blessings, bye-bye. Fish out.